Welcome inside one of the world's most advanced armored vehicle factories. Today, I'll take you step by step through exactly how a modern main battle tank is forged. From raw steel to battlefield-ready Titan. Don't forget to subscribe for more exclusive behind-the-scenes defense tours.
Engaging final tension cycle now.
Pressure looks stable. Hold it there.
Confirmed. Tension achieved.
Power systems are fully integrated.
Confirmed. Diagnostics complete.
The shielded FCS modules are moved on a continuous anti-static conveyor and positioned perfectly near the connection.
The specialized interface robots move with synchronized, flowing precision, routing the thick, complex cables between the rotating components.
Laser sensors confirm accessibility on all internal systems.
Sequence complete. All indicators show success. The simulation was a go.
Richards. The robotic arms execute a continuous, flowing sweep of high-pressure water jets across the tank's surface. This is
This casing looks good. Consistent wall thickness.
Confirmed. Data stream is clear.
Activate countermeasure protocols now.
Protocols firing. Analyzing data stream.
Threat neutralized. Signal stabilizing.
Initiating egress simulation sequence now.
Copy that. Monitoring synchronization and speed metrics.
Flow rate is increasing. Maintain pressure check.
Copy that. Sensors are green. We have positive verification on the seal.
The shine on this section looks good.
Agreed. The protective coat is setting well.
Ready for the next phase.
Pivot left, just a touch. There, hold it. Vehicle is centered. All clear, secure the load.
The eastern flank sensors are showing intermittent signal loss.
Reroute the data stream through Auxiliary 3 immediately.
All right, bring her up slow. Steady lift. Coming right. Easy now, easy. And hold. Right there. Pushing the next 5. Set.
Turret systems green. Hydraulics engaged.
Confirmed. Weapons armed and stabilized. Comms check complete.
Ready to fire.
Steady on the left. Okay, push it through. Guiding the track now.